बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें और लाइक करें।
This is School to You channel. Update for students and teachers.
For new videos, please subscribe School to You.